how to enable Android System WebView to fix app crashes. So if you want to enable Android System WebView, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. From the settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with the apps option. Under apps, you need to go with manage apps, and from there you need to go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and then make sure that you've selected show system services. Once you do that, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Android System WebView. Once you find that, you need to tap on Android System WebView. So first of all, let's press on the force stop button, which will be on the bottom left or on the bottom right. Make sure that it is not disabled. So once we force stop it, it means we basically meet the rewinding process. And the next time when we're going to try and open up the web page, the whole system is going to be rewinded because we just performed a force stop. But if you cannot see the Android web viewer because your like some phones doesn't support that, or Google Chrome is on automatic schedule, then you can go back, and here under your applications, you can search for Google Chrome. Once you find, you need to tap on it and do the same with this also. You need to just simply go and force stop and make sure that it is not disabled. After that, you need to go back and make sure that your developer mode is turned on your device. Once your developer mode is turned on, which is in my case, the developer options is turned on right here. So here you need to scroll down and then find an option which is WebView implementation. Or you can go back and then search for it, and you will find the WebView implementation. Tap on it and make sure that it's set on System Web Viewer, because sometimes it may be set on anything else like Chrome or something else. That's it. We're done. Now you can just go and open up any link, any kind of application like Messenger. It doesn't matter. It opens up and it works. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.